Good morning, YouTubers. Brian Paragamian, senior trader and co-founder of ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com, bringing the pre-open comment. We're about a little over an hour from the opening bell. We do have due out at the bottom of the hour the core CPI and the CPI, as well as the current account balance. Yesterday we had the PPI and core PPI come out. We saw some deflationary pressures in that report as well. It'll be interesting to see if we have the same type of deflationary pressures somewhat starting to seep into the market. Right now, speaking of deflation, you know I'm very, very bearish the gold market. And right now, gold is down $7.90, bouncing around here, trading right around 909 right now. Oil's down 68 cents. Right now, we have the S&P futures backing off 5 points, the NASDAQ futures backing off 3. We're looking at about 40 to 50 points of downward pressure. Again, this is all pre-market, so who knows exactly what's going to happen after these economic reports come out and prior to the open. But again, I am turning bearish here up into this zone here. We talked about the 74 to 7,500 zone. Well, we revisited it again yesterday, and I'm starting to turn more and more bearish as we move up. I'm thinking the way this is setting up is we're setting up into an expiration rally, and then I think we're going to have a corrective type of week next week. Again, we are short LEAP from 3670. As we've mentioned before, it's trading. It's actually trading up right now here in the pre-market at 3610 to 3638. So we'll have to see what happens there. Maybe we'll get stopped out on that position. We are also short RKH. We are short that from the 48.30 area, and it closed within a couple of pennies, or within 13 cents of our stop. We are not officially stopped out of that. Right now, it is trading 46.72 bid, 48.10 offered. Big spread on the bid and offer, but we do have the futures down 5 1/4. So hopefully we'll get that to back off. We won't get stopped out. We'll stay alive on that. And just as a note here, we don't have a very large position right now in the RKH, so we may or may not pull our stop on that. I'm not quite sure yet, because I really think my inclination is I think you really need to be short the financials in here. And I think regardless of what happens here in the coming couple days, 2-3 days, I think the financials are a real big short here, and I would look for them to have a fairly significant pullback. You know, some of them have gone up 40-50%, some of them have gone up over 100%. The bank index itself is, has realized, some, I don't even know what the percentages are, but I know it was down around 18 just off the top of my head, and now the bank index is trading at 27. So let me just go ahead and pull this up real quick. Yeah, we got down to 1775, and we've run up to 27. So that's, some 60% move here off the bottom in the bank index itself. So I think we can look for some corrective price action here in the coming days or next week at the latest, and that's how we're positioned, and that's how we're going to continue to stay positioned. I'm looking here now, we've got the futures down 5, gold down 8 again. It looks like about 50 points of downward pressure, so we're going to call for some more chop. Again, I'm going to look for maybe 7,500 on the outside here in the next couple of days into expiration, but I'm getting very bearish up here. I think we're getting overbought. I think we're, everybody's starting to now jump on this bandwagon and talking even higher prices, and I'm going to start fading this here as I already have done, and I'm going to start to add to more of my short positions. Have yourselves a great trading day. I'll try and be back again mid-morning, late morning. If not then, I'll definitely be back after the market closes. Again, if you haven't taken a look at our site, ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com, I certainly advise you to do that. Take advantage of our 3-day free trial. There's no BS here. We're on top of things. We're making money for our members. We have daily live webcasts every single day from 8:20 until noon. Our members love it. It's an interactive site. You'll see real-time trading, no BS, no hiding behind closed doors of secrecy like the Wall Street boys. And if you want to become educated and you want to learn how to start making profitable trades and profitable swing trades as we're doing, it's a great setting. Take advantage of our 3-day free trial. There is no credit cards, no nothing. It is actually free. So I just want to let you know that I highly would advise you to take a look at our site, ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll try and be back mid-morning.